have a look at the weather forecast for this week. Wow, would you look at that? It's going to be hot, hot, hot on Monday with 60% chance of a forest fire in the northeast. Watch out, guys. As we move on through the week, the heat from the north makes its way down to the south. The northeast will be set for some strange weather patterns as the week commences.
Hi, Mum.
Now let's have
What
a
are you
look at
watching?
the
Oh,
house
shush,
weather.
will
What
ya?
do we see?
The Yonky
Oh,
Weatherman's
pretty
on.
much the same. We've got some rain, and more rain. Gosh, you guys aren't having it very good, are you? I suppose we better keep going with
He's
the,
an idiot.
the forecast.
He's a stuck-up piece of...
So, by the end of the week, get your umbrellas ready, ladies, because it's raining plastic. You heard me, plastic. This great new phenomenon is said to be some of the wackiest and best weather we've ever experienced.
What? Plastic rain? That can't be right.
Oh, it is, love. It's raining plastic now. A great sight to see.
Plastic. This great new phenomenon is said to be some of the wackiest and best weather we've ever experienced.
This shouldn't be happening. This is so bad for the environment. And dangerous.
Oh, don't be so silly. Why would it be dangerous?